Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another very simple recipe for you. Very quick, very easy, exactly what we need in January when life gets busy. So I hope you're excited for this one pot pasta. You want to start out by cutting down an onion into small pieces. Next up, you want to take your small tomatoes and you just want to cut them in halves. Now you want to take a very big pan with some olive oil and you want to heat that up and drop the onions in there and let them cook for around 3 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and add the spices to this as well. You can use whatever spices you enjoy in your pasta. I used a spice mix, but you know, pasta is like really easy. You can use a ton of spices with that. Just let that sit in the oil for a minute or so, or maybe less than a minute. And then you want to go ahead and use your canned tomatoes to pour that in as well. And then I used the water in the can so I can get the last little bit of the tomatoes out, and you also get a little bit more moisture in here. Then you want to give that a quick mix and wait for it to come to a boil. Next up, you want to add in the pasta. And you want to give this a very good mix. You want to make sure that all the pasta is covered by the sauce. You also want to add in a little bit of salt as well. And just give it another quick mix. And then you want to put a lid on that, and you don't want to remove the lid for the next 10 minutes. Just let it do its thing for 10 minutes. After that, you want to take off the lid. You want to use your spinach. Of course, you want to wash it first, and then you can just dump that in on top of the pasta. As you can see here, now it has definitely softened. So in goes the spinach as well as the tomatoes, and you just want to make sure it all fits in the pan, and then put the lid back on for another 5 minutes. Let that cook. And after those 5 minutes, you're done. So you can give that a final mix, make sure everything is distributed evenly, and then you can serve up this very delicious and fresh one-pot pasta. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!